Hi friends and welcome to Beautiful Within. So today I'm shooting a Get Unready with me. This is in collaboration with Simple Tips Anvesha. So she's also shooting a Get Ready Unready with me. And after watching this video, please do check out her channel. I'll put that in the description box. So I just came back from a lunch. It's a Sunday afternoon, and so I'll start getting unready. So first of all, I take off my jewelry. But actually before that, even before that, it's been 5 minutes since I came back. So first of all, what I do is I wash my hands as soon as I enter home, and post which I I drink water, a glass of water, because when you're outside you get dehydrated, and of course you have to wash your hands because you've been out for a while and things like that. So I've taken off my jewelry. I mostly put that in a tray like this, which I keep on my vanity. So currently I'll just be putting it there. My earring I'll be putting in my mesh bag. So I'm just putting the earring like that. The watch I've just kept. So post which I will be just removing some makeup. I'm not wearing too much makeup, no, not too much base. I mostly do not wear too much makeup on a daily basis. I'm just wearing some lipstick and some bit of mascara and a little bit of kajal, which I will be removing. So I'm using the Sultry cleanser, as you can see. This is my Holy Grail cleanser, which I mostly use like all the time. I use it on my face and on my eyes both. So firstly I'll be removing my lipstick. The lipstick on my lips is Color Bar Addictive Magenta. I try and not rub my lips. I try and just pat my lips a little. Now I'm going to remove my mascara. For that also use the Sultry cleanser only because it does not sting my eye, thankfully. And mostly I use it like a dab, a cotton swab like this, and I put it on my eyes and I wipe it off like this in linear motions. So I've just applied a little bit of mascara and some bit of kajal. Kajal mostly I take off at the end of the day, but right now, because I will not be going anywhere out right now, I am just using the same thing and removing that as well. Now you can anyways use a cotton bud like a Q-tip for it. I have not applied too much, so I'm using the cotton swab only. You can anyways use a Q-tip for it. So this is how much of mascara which I have on my eyes. I mostly on a daily basis do not wear too much makeup, as you all would know. For applying makeup, you have to give me very special occasion, like Eid, which just happened when I dressed up and shared a Get Ready with me. There's not much on my face. There's only some compact powder, but make sure that you remove that also, because even some bit of compact can clog your pores, which is not too good for your skin. So people ask me that my skin is pretty good, and thank you for that compliment. But my skin is good because even if I apply like a little bit of makeup, just some compact, I make sure to remove it fully, because it's extremely necessary that your pores don't get clogged because of the makeup. If you can have the discipline and use BB cream every day and compact every day and remove it, not much difference would occur to your skin even after applying makeup. But make sure to clean it every time you come back home. This is the area where I applied a little more powder because I have dark areas there. So which is why I am removing that as well. So this is how much of compact which was there, very little, but make sure to remove that as well. It helps, it really helps. After this, all of my makeup is removed, so now I'll just wash my face with my Body Shop cleanser, wear my home clothes and come back. So I just came back after washing my face, and now I'll be using the Tea Tree toner. So for using the toner, you have to shake it well so that, as you can see, it activates a little. There are some particles in the bottom which get activated, and I've used a cotton swab. and I'll be putting it all over my face. I mostly do it, these are the steps that I do like mostly daily, because this is the amount of makeup that I do daily. Previously I was thinking that I'll do a full makeup and then I'll do a full get unready with me, but this is what I do mostly on a daily basis. I remove whatever mascara, kajal and lipstick which is there. Mostly the base is mostly not there. I don't use a BB cream on a daily basis. And yeah, post which I wash my face and tone it, mostly using either the Body Shop toner or the rose water. Mostly, but I use the Body Shop toner only, that suits my skin better. You can use the toner of course on your neck as well. I mostly forget my neck, which is a very very bad habit, but again I have it. So yeah, I am a little embarrassed to show how much amount of grit which is there in my face, even after washing my face, even after taking away all the makeup. And now when my face is like properly toned, I wait for like 2 or 3 minutes and I mostly apply either a day cream, or currently I apply just the Khadi aloe vera gel like as a day cream kind of a thing. So I use very little, like this much is what you require, just a pinch of it, and rub it between your hands. Make sure your hands are clean of course, and just put, gently massage it. You might be feeling that it's showing very liquidy, but in no time, almost 2 to 3 minutes, it's going to absorb in the skin. And because I'm using a very very natural ingredient, as close to natural as possible, this is not going to harm my skin too much. It's almost evening, that's why I'm not applying sunscreen. Otherwise, like after I have used the aloe vera gel, I would also apply a sunscreen over it, but right now I'm not applying it. But yes, I would apply my Farmer's Cocoa Butter Stick. Mostly after applying lipstick, I use, after removing lipstick rather, I use a lip balm, because it helps the lips to restore their original moisture. Now this is the next step is totally optional, but I like doing it. So I use the Iba Halal Aloe Aqua Refreshing Face Spray. My face spray basically, Iba Halal face spray. Very very refreshing, and it just starts the day again. So yeah, this is what I do to get unready. Now I'm fully unready and at home now. I wanted to actually share how I store my jewelry and then how I fold my clothes and everything, but then it's going to make it really long. So this is what I mostly do to get unready, and now I'm going to fold my clothes and keep them in the cupboard. My jewelry is anyways kept here. I mostly, every 3 days I clear this tray, this very big tray. As you can see, there's a lot of things there. Every 2-3 days I clear it. Otherwise, yeah, every week. I'm a very lazy girl, as you all know. So this is what I do to get unready. Do let me know what all you guys do. And do check out Anvesha's video as well. I would link her channel in the description box. Thank you very much for watching. Have a really nice day. Bye.